Tell me one thing. Do you eat food every day? Of course, everybody eats food every day. Then why don't you talk about your food in English? It is day 14 today, and today we are going to learn how to speak English using our daily food routine. So, hello my friends. Welcome back to SAR English. I'm your friend Ahmad and I'm from Surat, Gujarat, India. I'm also learning English just like you by practicing in front of the camera. Okay. So, if you are still with me on day 14, then you are becoming stronger day by day. So, let's talk about first of all breakfast. In the morning, I usually eat a simple breakfast. Sometimes I eat paratha with tea. And sometimes when I don't have much time, I sometimes drink milk or sometimes tea. My breakfast is generally light. Now you try. What do you eat for your breakfast? You can also comment me so that I can check it out. What do you eat? Now let's talk about what I eat at lunch. Normally I eat proper food at lunch. I eat rice, vegetables and dal. Sometimes I also eat roti and sabji. So I try to eat healthy food because it gives me a lot of energy. Now you should try. What do you eat for lunch? Comment me and I will check it out. Now let's talk about dinner. At night, I eat light food. I don't eat too much. I like simple meals because they help me sleep well. If I eat heavy food, then it will create a lot of problem while I'm sleeping. It also create many problems. So now you tell me, what do you eat for your dinner? Now let's talk about some snacks. Sometimes I feel hungry between meals. Then I take some snacks. I like biscuits, especially Palaji, fruits, or if I have some dry fruits, then I also have it. So I also drink tea, and sometimes I just do my work with only water. So, it's very simple to talk about foods. So, I'm going to give you some sentences you have to repeat after me. So, let's start. I like simple food. My favorite food is. Now, you can take your favorite food name. I eat healthy food. Food gives me energy. I love homemade food. I avoid ready-made food. I avoid junk or fast food. So simple. You can use all these sentences for your food routine. So you must have realized that you don't need big grammar. So you must have realized that you don't need big grammar, big vocabulary for speaking about your food. You need some daily sentences to speak about food, clothes, weather, feeling, and work. If you can talk about all these things, then it's called real English. So if you can talk about all these things, you can talk about your life, then you are learning real life English. So if you spoke with me today, then like this video, share it with your friends to help them out. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SAR English. And please don't forget to press bell icon so that you can get notifications of my videos on time. And comment day 14 food talk, because your comment gives me a lot of motivation and encourage me to create such videos. And your comment is equal to your power as well as my power. So friends, for today, that's all. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.